doing good. As per my prompts, I'm back with another video. It's a part two of ECC to S4HANA conversion. So today we're going to learn about S4HANA conversion part two, what we have left from SI checks, where we are going to complete today all prerequisites, and then we'll start some 2.0 and maintenance planner activities, like we're going to learn how to collect the patches from the maintenance planner, and also from actually target system preparation. So we're going to complete all the prerequisites today, and also we're going to launch the sum tool, collect the patches, and till the execution phase, complete the upgrade. Then it will be the final video of S4HANA conversion. But before going all these things, I actually just want to give you an update of the future video. What I'm going to do in future, I'm going to make a complete migration from Workday to the SuccessFactors through the .csv files. So I'm going to create another migration that's going to be totally different. So it's going to be, I'm going to introduce you cloud configuration, how to configure cloud connector for actually for a success factors, and how to configure backend system configuration, how to upload the files, how to target, how to extract the files from our source system, and then how to upload it to the success factors. It's going to be a complete migration from Workday to success factors. So that's going to be another migration. So that's the different migration, actually, as compared to this S4HANA system conversion method. So let's start with the part two of the system conversion method of S4HANA. So we're converting from ECC to S4HANA. So we have read all till we have completed the SI checks. So this is how to prepare for the target system landscape. So check the target system S4HANA conversion. It should be S4 core, and then choose your product, and then choose the database version client. So that is we've selected here 2.4, and then update is our host agent is 721 and 42. Now we have upgrade and update of as this host agent. So there is a latest version, but this is not the latest one. This is 721. So we can request a migration key for the target database, and then this is our source system, target system here. So we can compare it. Then this is all about the locking the users. This is the T code EAWZ5 in the all clients, how to lock the users in one shot. So this is all about the end of the prerequisites here. So let's start the migration phase with the maintenance planner tasks. So first we need to verify and sync our system with the solution manager. Then we need to go to the sync tab here, click on the tab sync, verify the solution manager tasks, and then another tab is verify. Let's click on verify and verify our patches. So these are the patches in our system, like so we can see the patches available. Click on activate and next, and then it will be a transaction will be activated. And then we need to click on the tab on plan our system. Let me go back to this tab here. So here is a plan a software change on your system, including download files. So click on the plan, and then it will take us to this page here, tab here, that is plan for S4HANA system. So install, convert, maintain. So we can just choose convert existing SAP ERP system to the S4HANA system, and then click on next. You'll see your product version, and then you can choose the target version and the source system. And then you can click on, you can choose front end server selection here. You can check those boxes, whatever you need, MDG, HCL, HCM, SAP S4HANA, whatever you need. And then after calculating the patches, it will be convert. Then you need to choose the kernel version from your operating system perspective. So ours is AIX, so choose operating system, and then confirm your patches, software admin manager, kernel, IGS, and host agent. Click on next, and everything will be in the basket, download basket as an XML file. So our XML file is just ready. Now we need to execute the sum tool. Before executing the sum tool, what we are going to learn from the sum tool is phase select, whatever like phase extraction. Extraction actually is all about to configure everything, give the paths for the XML file and other related DDIC configuration and everything. So configuration phase, checks phase, pre-processing in the source system, execution in the source system. So all we are going to learn here. So after downloading our dump for some, create a directory on the OS system, OS LUN, and then just put everything. You can you can just move your dump through the WinSAP from your desktop or wherever you have just Windows directory where you have downloaded your material, your dump, and then move to your business system through WinSAP or whatever FTP, whatever you have actually as per your company standards. So go to the. You also need to uncar your dump. So there will be a SAR file, and you need to run the command SAP car. So make sure your latest SAP car is there in your folder. So these are the commands where we need to execute. And this is all about the change, giving the authorization. Like 777 is the full authentication for read write for your files. Then this is all about the sum command. Like to start the sum command, how to start the sum is /sum root config host. So after running this command, you will get the web browsers, three web browsers. Like this, like web browsers means like you will get the links for to run in the browser in the Google Chrome or the Internet Explorer. So copy that link and just whatever port is accessible. So as per this, we can check the port as per the command here. User SAP host control work SAP starter or log grep 1129. So this port is available. So then we can go and then we can just run this command in the web browser, and you will get this screen here. Give this stack file verification, and then you check this, check the box, check this box, and active authenticity. Then stack file, give the path to the stack file, and you will find your uh, you know um, dump here. Now DDIC password and DB operator, DB user password. Extraction phase. Now extraction phase. Then you need to give your. We need to click on do not compare target comparison right now. So what we're going to do is check, enable the migration with the system move option, and then is your system configured correctly? Yes. And then is more than one system running on the database? No. And then click on next. Then we have availability of whatever file path ever is, whether SAR file is. It will be in this scan dir extract page, and then we'll get our operating system and database related. Ours is DB2 and operating system is AIX. Then system check. Then we need to check the advanced downtime, minimizes capabilities, higher complexity with high resource assignment. Yes. Then give the ABAP processors uptime, downtime, whatever. I recommend you to choose, just go through this, go through your system, whatever hardware availability you have, RAM size, whatever, how much RAM size you have, how much resources and CPUs you have, as per that, because it should not slow down your system. If you give more, then it will impact your system. So as per your hardware sizing, you should use this ABAP resources here. Then do not start ABAP load. It's all about the SGen. If you want to run your SGen during the system conversion, it will take your, so better to use the after system update conversion. So the next phase is like complete the BW configuration. So we need to check the BW, is our BW system configured properly. So we need to BRE removed and then log into the system and check use successfully. Now it will be successful. Then these are the component versions available. So BW count is available, and all the content components detail is here. Then this is all about the change requests. If you have any change request priority, you can mention here. Then after doing all these things, you can click on no and move on. That is for, do you want to include buffer this add-on language or package, something like that? No. Then transport modifications, what's SPDD or anything is pending, and then you can just, I think we have already completed in the prerequisites, so we can move on. Then our ABAP instance, whatever technical instance is available. So your system has no longer to start a profile, nothing will be changing in this respect. So every detail of your instance number, you a profile, then your start profile, everything will be available here. Now we are in the checks phase, and if everything goes well, then we need to click on next and move on the next phase. So open actions in the transaction SPDD SPOW phase. So number of absolute and non adjusted nodes. You can also check for the inactive objects. So if there are inactive objects, so we need a bapper. We might need a bapper to help to activate the objects, because last time when I had an issue with the object, then actually I actually called the evaporator because I was unable to delete anything and activate anything. So there was a shadow table. Actually, it was a shadow table which was creating an issue. So we actually deleted it from the HANA database itself. From it was like shadow instance. It was creating an issue in the execution. Like we need to be in sync with the evaporator and the database administrator. So for database activities, for we need, if there is any duplicate table or something need to be deleted, so we need database guy to database administrator to help in that scenario. So we also need to take the backup of that same table before deleting the duplicate table. And also we need an adapter to activate, because everybody doesn't have the key, because while they're activating any object in the SAP system, we need an adapter key, and that's a unique key to activate or deactivate the object. So the minimize effort and everything looks fine. Then if there is no SPDD and SPO object, proceed next. Then do you want to run the job? Yes, we're in the checks phase, and then everything will be here, benchmark BW 120 days, and everything is mentioned. So we need to see the background job audio is check failed, so we need to see why it has failed. So I think it was about this space related issue. Like we need to check space as well for our table spaces. So go to the DB02, or from the DB2 level, you need to check your database PSAP, whatever table space it is. So you need to go to the, as per the source system. In Oracle, it's SAP SR3. Now here is PSAP is for the DB2. So as per the table spaces, if there is, you need to increase the table space. So you can increase the table space, and then you can go ahead. and then as I explain everything in the in active objects and active objects, so you can see as per the inactive objects and active objects. So space was a different issue, and inactive space is a different issue, and inactive objects is a different issue. So also we can see a number of you can say issues with overwritten registry parameters. You can just go through the DB2 level, DB2 set, DB2 com, TCP IP. You can check all the parameters related what DB2 set all, and then see all the parameters what is there in the parameters as per your database parameter setting. Locked. Now we are going to enter in the pre-processing phase after everything after everything as per the plan. So we can go pre-processing. We can just move into the pre-processing phase, lock the development system environment right now, so development work is not possible after locking the system. So you can move into this phase in the pre-processing phase. So this is another actually issue. You cannot say issue, but this is another important phase here in this pre-processing phase where we need to check the memory, swap memory, and parameters are memory. What do we have in the memory size? How much is required for check memory and increase if required? So we can just see it here, and from SAP level we can go to SAP level and check our ABAP buffer parameter sizing. What do we have in that? And you can increase the memory for your system. So check both of the boxes and accept. Then we can just after increasing the memory class and sorry, changing the memory class and increasing the memory parameters, so it's supposed to be resolve the issue for you as well. So click on next, then and then you will find different you'll find different scenarios during your upgrade, so you need to evaluate all those scenarios as per the sum log. Like it will be available on the sum 2.0 is having it's a browser base where you can find every log related to every activity. You don't need to go to the separately log into the system, go to the OS level and check the going to the particular path in the sum and find the logs. So the beauty of the sum is like not, I think since long it has been available on the browser level, logs are available, so you can just check it over there. So the system is the system has entered in the execution source system execution phase where your downtime actually starts or materializes. So it will be the actual copy is going to be the all source copy, and it will and it will be a copy in the shadow, and then it will convert all your screens and programs as per the upgrade. So it's happening like everything is going in this execution phase. So you can say that it's the main downtime phase where your system is going to be upgraded. So I think we have completed till the execution phase. As I earlier told you, we're going to read till the execution phase, and then there is one more video. It's going to be the final video for the migration. So after this migration, I will start another migration. That migration is going to be like a migration from workday to the success factors, and it's going to be like different for a different scenario. Like to upload the .csv files, we can use the github as well, we can use bods as well. So I'm going to And there is one more SAP info type is info proto. I think I don't remember the name of that actually, but let me just I just saved that one here. What was that? Yeah, that is actually SAP Info Porter. Porter is a data migration tool. So we are going to read about this tool as well. So this was all about the part two of the video. So I'm just thinking of creating another the final video as soon as possible as I get the time. So this is all about today's video. I thank you again for watching this video. Please subscribe if you want. Thank you.